Hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to talk about a store that I have been wanting to do a class on for a really long time. I'm talking Dollar Tree. I know it sounds really crazy, and honestly, I've only been like twice now, but I am so in love, and I thought this was the perfect day to take you because I'm going to Costco and they're not open yet, so I need to kill some time. And I looked across the street, and what do you think I saw but the Dollar Tree? And I was like, you know what? We're going to film a class today. Remember, you still need to bring your own bags. Getting ready for Valentine's Day, I see. So the first time I came to a Dollar Tree, it was because we had just moved and I was waiting for Home Goods to open, but they weren't open yet, and I needed a few things for the house, and I looked over and I saw a Dollar Tree and I was like, I'm just gonna go in and see. And I found some gems. So I don't know about you, but I've noticed when I've gone to other places like, say, a 99-cent store, things aren't just 99 cents, but here everything is $1. It's amazing. Okay, this is happening. My husband is totally gonna get a 99-cent card and he's gonna be so proud of me. Yes, this is perfect. And $1.95, but wait, it's 2 for 1. Just kidding. That kind of deal on cards. I went through my calendar to see what birthdays were coming up, and might have got a few extra cards, just saying. But if you are planning a party and you need vases or just any little extras, this is the place you want to go. Who wants to spend a lot on decorations that you're just gonna end up throwing away? It's a win-win. I'm actually in the process of filming a class on face masks, so I'm gonna grab this bad boy to try out. I mean, if you're throwing a party and you need to-go stuff, or you need the cooking trays, I mean, you really can't beat getting stuff you're gonna throw away for $1. I mean, look how big these spray bottles are. For $1. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Oh, and one of my favorite things to get here are the disposable gloves for when I do dishes, because I'm sorry, I've bought the expensive kinds and they break just as fast as these ones do, so I'm only gonna spend 99 cents for 2 pairs. And look at all these fun colored containers to like organize a kid's room or something. So fun. Oh snap, I just found the heavy duty gloves. This only comes with 1 pair for $1. This is 2 pairs for $1. I'm gonna get this one and this one, and we're gonna test out and see which one's better. I mean, we even got candies for $1. What? Make you holla. As you know, we just got a puppy, so I'm kind of excited to look and see what kind of puppy things I can get, because she's gonna grow so fast and she's also gonna destroy things, so I don't want to spend a lot of money on that. Oh my gosh, she's loving playing tug of war, so I'm totally gonna grab some of these guys. This is perfect. And for 99 cents, I mean, come on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. So in my room, I got this thing to hang my necklaces and jewelry on that's like super cute, but I need more ways to hang up necklaces. This is gonna be perfect. And I'm only spending 99 cents. So I just found the one thing that I was most excited to buy in this store the last time I was here, and I just found it, so I can't wait to show you. And this is so totally random, but it's this thing right here. It's a little shower caddy thing that you hang over the shower head. And I don't know about you, but I was so sick and tired of buying those tall stands that go from ceiling to tub, and they get disgusting. So I got this as a temporary solution when we moved into our house, but it actually has been amazing, and it's been there for like 6-7 months now, and it's totally still in perfect condition. And something super fun I did with this thing is I took it with us on our cruise that we went on a couple months ago, because those showers are so small. What are you supposed to do with all your stuff? This thing worked perfect. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, can you believe that? $18.86. So let's see how much I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got 20 things for $18.86. Okay, let's be real here. None of these things are like quality items per se, but all these things are gonna eventually get thrown away anyways. You know what I mean? So I could spend a lot of money on something I'm gonna throw away, or I can spend 99 cents on something I'm gonna throw away. I'm gonna choose to spend 99 cents on something I'm gonna throw away. Like these dog toys. She's gonna chew them up and they're gonna go in the trash, but you know what? I'm not gonna feel so bad about it. It was 99 cents. You saw pretty much everything I got. The only other 2 things that I didn't really show you were, I found this mirror. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And I've been looking for a mirror that I can look at the back of my head with when I'm filming classes, just so it like looks cute on the back side. A lot of mirrors I have are double-sided, so I wanted a one-sided mirror, but it's so cute and has so many colors, and it has the Ashley U Life colors in it, so I like it. And then the other thing that I got was shower caps for when I deep condition my hair with coconut oil, because I use saran wrap usually, but 8 shower caps for 99 cents. And I bought another one of these for travel so that I don't have to take the one that I have down when I go somewhere, because that's what I did when we went on the cruise. But this thing is just amazing. It holds your loofahs, it holds your little facial products. It's just perfect to travel with. And you can literally just shove it in your suitcase. This cost as much as like a cheap loofah does. Like, so if you even didn't even want to take it with you home, like you could just leave it there and not feel bad about it, you know? This is like my most favorite travel hack ever. Like, this just saves my life, especially on that cruise. Those showers, so tiny. But even when you go to someone's house, you know, or you go to a hotel, like this is perfect. So I hope you've enjoyed our little trip to the dollar store, and I hope it's given you some inspiration to maybe not spend so much money on the things you're gonna throw away. If you liked this class, please do make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. If you are new to my channel, I do hair, makeup, and life hacks weekly, so do make sure to subscribe and hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the fun. Hey, Costco's open now. I gotta go. This is the first toy she's been able to squeak by herself, and it's a 99-cent toy. How are you gonna get it? You want me to get it for you?